Salam everyone, welcome to this Quranic Arabic course where we're only focusing on Quranic Arabic. We're not delving that deep into all the Arabic grammar and rules, and a lot of you have been finding that really helpful, especially if traditional Arabic learning has not helped you understand the Quran. So if you're new to the channel, I do recommend watching the playlist 1 where we do Surah Mu'minun because that covers a lot of basics, and then you can catch up on these videos. And if you're a returning subscriber and you're finding these really helpful, you can actually support the channel by liking and commenting on these videos and sharing them with your friends and family. The more you like and comment, the more YouTube is going to share these videos with others, so you'll actually help spread these lessons, and inshallah you'll help benefit other people. So do engage with us. Thank you, and Jazakallah khair.
وإن نشأ نغرقهم فلا صريخ لهم ولا هم ينقذون. وإن, and if, so this is like if we willed, right? إن نشأ نغرقهم. غرق was to drown.
Very good, yeah.
We willed, we would drown them.
Yeah. If we could drown them.
If we wish we could drown them. فلا, so not. صريخ لهم ولا هم ينقذون. So if we wished, we could drown them and not.
So what you're noticing here is like all these last few words in each verse is so different, isn't it? And we haven't really covered it. It's like very poetic, this surah. So like now what you're seeing is like the poetic types, which is why it's more difficult to understand. So here it's like فَلَا صَرِيخَ لَهُمْ, then they wouldn't have anyone to like respond to their cries, صَرِيخَ لَهُمْ, and nor would they be saved.
Is the sarikha, sorry, from this?
Sorry. I was just saying that with repetition, these verses make sense, even though individually, if you ask me any of these words, I wouldn't know what they mean. But in terms of the verse and the context, I know.
Okay.
I was just going to ask, do you think, you know, the word istikhara in terms of asking for help is sarakh from a similar, because when we respond to their cries, assuming for help, right?
Oh, that one's a scene, istikhara is.
Okay.
Yeah. Our next.
إلا رحمة منا ومتاعا إلى حين, except for mercy from us, and mata is like, it's kind of like when you give, like when you let them enjoy basically for like a little longer until.
Enjoy, did you say? Sorry, got cut.
Yeah, so like mata, isn't it like when, yeah, basically to say that they're left to, like basically they're given more time until some time.
Yeah, it's like leave them for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then Berivan.
Okay. وإذا, and when قيل لهم قالوا, and when said to them, okay, اتقوا ما, wait, taqwa, fear ما بين أيديكم. Oh man, wait a minute, I know. Okay, so fear what بين أيديكم, front of, no, in front or among them.
In front of them, and وما خلفهم.
Isn't it like among?
Yeah,
them, but it's among. It is in front them.
Good.
You, in front you.
Yeah, because I hands, so what's between their hands and what's between your hands is like always ahead of you, right?
I didn't get that. What?
So aid means hand.
Yeah.
So baina aydikum, what is between your hands? What's between your hands is always ahead of you.
Like between in your heads and it's always ahead of you.
It's ahead of
It's like in front of you, she means.
Yeah.
Oh, oh, but that's between your hands and oh, that's okay.
Yeah, it's a very visual language as well, I realized.
Look, that's actually very beautiful. Okay, okay.
خلفكم is
So fear of what is in front of you. وما خلقكم.
خلفكم.
What خلفكم. خلف. خلوف. خلف. And what something you. لعلكم, so you ترحمون. رحمة. So you get mercy. But خلف.
So
خلوف.
what would be the opposite of what's in front of you? بين أيديكم وما خلفكم.
And what is behind you?
Exactly.
Oh, so like what you see, like it's like, don't you fear like what you see around you and the history behind you?
Yeah.
It's
And then
something
what's in front of you as in what's coming, like the hereafter.
Okay. Tamam.
Yeah. So whenever it is said to them, fear what is in front of you and what is behind you so that you may be shown mercy.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Okay, last one, Hiba.
وما تأتيهم من آية من آيات ربهم إلا كانوا عنها معرضين وما and what تأتيهم comes to them?
This ma is no, but it's okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So
Him is from
when
sorry?
is that a negation of like when something doesn't come to them?
No, so it's linked to the illa. Remember when wama and illa came together, it was like nothing except.
Yeah.
So maybe
Okay.
read something and then you'll see.
So from the signs and then from the signs of their Rob,
Yeah.
except عنها of it معرضون. معرض was to turn away, right? So وما تأتيهم من آية.
So it's like this, no sign comes to them. So no, this ayah is a sign and this is plural. So it's in the form of no sign comes to them from the signs of God except that they are from it turning away. Again, really like poetic way of the sentence construction. So this ma is no.
Okay, so no sign. So it's basically like no sign from all of the signs of their Lord. No.
Comes to them. So if you were to do it word by word, it would be like, and nothing comes to them from the sign, from amongst the signs of God, except they are from it
turned away.
Yeah, turning away.
Okay.
And marlene, because of the meme, it's like their state of being.
Okay.
So yeah, it is complex, but because like Surah Yaseen, we read like more often than other surahs. Normally, I think many people are more familiar with this. So it's like the more you read it, the more like the easier it will get.
Inshallah.
Yeah, inshallah.
It's a very beautiful surah, subhanAllah.
It is, yeah, it's amazing. Yeah. Cool. All right, see you inshallah on Sunday.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
No worries.
Assalamu
And
that's lesson 9 for you. I hope that was really useful. Keep revising and do leave me a like or a comment. Let me know how you found it. Assalamu alaikum. Have a good day.